2. Have you ever wished for a super smart assistant that can help you with almost anything? Well, say hello to Gemini, Google's incredibly powerful AI assistant. It's not just another chatbot. It's a creative partner, a research analyst, and a productivity booster, all rolled into one. Gemini can understand and work with text, images, and even video. It can answer complex questions, help you write code, draft emails, and so much more. Think of it as your personal gateway to the future of artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to do a deep dive into everything Gemini has to offer, from its amazing features to how you can start using it right now to make your life easier. Let's get started. First up, let's explore Gemini's core features. The most common use is text generation. Need to write a professional email to your boss? Just tell Gemini what you need. How about summarizing a long, complicated article for a report? Done in seconds. It's like having a world-class writer and editor on standby. But it doesn't stop at text. Gemini can also generate images. You just describe what you want to see, and boom, a unique image appears. Imagine creating custom artwork for a presentation or a social media post with just a few words. For example, a photorealistic image of a golden retriever wearing sunglasses on a skateboard in New York City. The possibilities are truly endless. And now for something really mind-blowing: video generation. Yes, you heard that right. Gemini is starting to roll out the ability to turn your text prompts into short video clips. While it's still an early feature, the potential is huge for creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to tell a story visually without needing complex video editing software. One of the most exciting recent additions is Gemini Live. This feature allows you to have real-time voice conversations with Gemini. It's not just a back and forth. You can interrupt it, ask follow-up questions, and have a natural flowing dialogue. It feels like you're talking to a real person. You could practice for a job interview, brainstorm ideas out loud, or just get quick answers without typing a thing. The experience is seamless and incredibly futuristic. Next, there's Canvas. Think of it as an infinite digital whiteboard where you can brainstorm and organize your thoughts. You can drop in ideas, images, links, and notes, and then ask Gemini to help you structure them. It can create outlines, mind maps, or project plans based on your scattered thoughts. It's perfect for visual thinkers and anyone tackling a big project, from planning a novel to designing a marketing campaign. Finally, we have Gems. Gems are personalized AI agents that you can create for specific, recurring tasks. Are you a social media manager who constantly needs to write Instagram captions in a certain style? You can create a caption gem. Are you a student who needs help solving math problems? Create a math tutor gem. You give it instructions and a personality, and it becomes your specialized expert, saving you time and effort on your most common workflows. So, how much does all this cost? The good news is, there's a free version. The standard Gemini plan is available to everyone with a Google account. It gives you access to the Gemini Pro model and 15 gigabytes of Google One storage. This is perfect for everyday tasks and getting a feel for what the AI can do. If you want to unlock its full potential, you'll want to look at Gemini Advanced. This paid subscription gives you access to Google's most powerful models, including the cutting-edge Gemini 1.5 Pro. With Advanced, you get a massive context window, meaning it can process huge amounts of information at once, like an entire book or hours of video. You also get 2 terabytes of storage and deeper integration with Google apps like Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. This means you can use Gemini directly within your workflow, asking it to draft documents or analyze spreadsheet data. For larger teams and organizations, Google offers Gemini Business, Enterprise, and Education plans. These are designed for collaborative use with enhanced security, privacy controls, and administrative features. They allow entire companies or schools to leverage the power of Gemini while ensuring their data remains protected and compliant with organizational policies. So, whether you're a casual user, a power user, or part of a large team, there's a Gemini plan that fits your needs. Ready to get started? It's incredibly easy. The primary way to access Gemini is through its website, GeminiGoogle.com. Just sign in with your Google account and you're in. There are also dedicated Gemini mobile apps for both Android and iOS, so you can have this powerful assistant right in your pocket. Once you're in, you'll see a clean, simple interface. At the bottom is the prompt box. This is where you type or speak your requests or conversation. History appears on the left, making it easy to revisit past chats. Let's walk through a simple task: planning a weekend trip to San Francisco. You could start by typing, "Plan a 3-day itinerary for a first-time visitor to San Francisco. I'm interested in iconic landmarks, good food, and some nature." Gemini will instantly generate a detailed day-by-day plan, suggesting places like the Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz, and Fisherman's Wharf. It might also recommend specific restaurants and suggest a hike in Muir Woods. Now, let's refine it. You can follow up with, "That sounds great, but I'm on a budget. Can you suggest some free activities and cheap places to eat?" Gemini will then adjust the itinerary, replacing paid attractions with free ones like walking across the bridge or exploring different neighborhoods, and suggesting affordable, highly rated food spots. You can continue this conversational back and forth until you have the perfect plan. It's that simple and intuitive. Now that you know the basics, let's dive into some advanced tips and tricks to really become a Gemini power user. First, let's talk about complex research. Gemini Advanced, with its huge context window, is a game changer here. You can upload multiple documents, like scientific papers or long reports, and then ask Gemini to synthesize the information. For instance, you could upload 3 research papers on climate change and ask, "Summarize the key findings from these documents and highlight any conflicting conclusions." This saves hours of reading and analysis. Next is the powerful integration with Google Workspace. If you have Gemini Advanced, you can use it directly within Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. In Gmail, you can ask Gemini to draft a polite follow-up email to a client about an overdue invoice. In Google Docs, highlight a messy paragraph and ask Gemini to rewrite this to be more concise and professional. In Sheets, you can use it to create formulas, analyze data, and generate charts just by describing what you want. This seamless integration transforms your entire productivity suite. One of the most powerful advanced features is creating custom gems. Let's get more specific on how to do this. You simply tell Gemini, "Create a new gem." It will then ask you for its purpose and instructions. For example, you could say, "You are code review bot. Your job is to review Python code for errors. Suggest optimizations for efficiency and ensure it follows best practices." Always provide explanations for your suggestions in a clear step-by-step manner. Once you save this gem, you can call on Code Review Bot anytime you need. It's specialized help, creating a personalized workflow that's perfectly tailored to you. Mastering these features will take your Gemini experience from helpful to indispensable. So, let's wrap this up. As we've seen, Gemini is far more than just a search engine with a chat interface. It's a versatile and powerful AI partner that can help you create, learn, organize, and achieve more. From writing your emails and generating stunning images, to having real-time conversations and building personalized AI agents, Gemini is designed to augment your abilities and streamline your life. What does the future hold? Google is constantly updating Gemini, with plans for even deeper integrations across all its products, from Android to Google Search itself. We can expect it to get even better at understanding context, more capable in its creative outputs, and more seamless in how it assists us in our daily digital lives. The journey with generative AI is just beginning, and Gemini is at the forefront of this exciting revolution. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly encourage you to go to GeminiGoogle.com and start exploring. You might be surprised at what you can accomplish. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on AI and technology. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use Gemini. See you in the next video.